Hey, good afternoon, everyone. Happy Monday to you. It's October 19th, and it's time for our chart of the week. And we're going to go flying this afternoon and talking about American Airlines. We'll be marking this chart up as we go along as well, too. So one thing that we've noticed about some of the airlines, specifically American Airlines, they've been really, really choppy. And this particular chart certainly indicates that choppiness, right? And we had a nice pullback in August to some support levels around the $38 level. Of course, this is the flash crash day here. We bounced right back up to a little bit higher highs. So we've got somewhat of a, I don't know, we call this a modified megaphone type pattern where things seem to be broadening outward and downward. But we do have some support around this $38 level. It's important. It's happened about 3 times since the summertime. But we're making higher highs as we go along. We're just not making lower lows or higher lows. But I do notice that we are at some significant resistance, or right near the significant resistance of the 200-day moving average right over there, and we can see that there. But we are on a MACD buy signal. You can see that right over here, and we are overbought on the indicators. And every single time that we've seen relative strength come up around this area, it's backed off quite a bit. So we could certainly come back a little, especially if oil starts to rise again. That's usually been a negative for airlines. But frankly, I think this chart shows us that a really nice cup and handle pattern over here, which we didn't have the prior to meetings up to this trend line. And I do like the fact that we do have some support right over here, and we have kind of gone sideways here on moderate to lower volume overall. So I think that this time is much different than this time over here. Mark that up right over here. This time over here, or this time over here, or even this time over here. So you can see that we've been building sort of a sideways base as we reached up and around that 44 and a quarter level. And I think this next time around, it's going to be up and out, so to the upside. So I like American Airlines. It looks like it's ready to fly. And certainly if oil starts coming down, we'll see a little bit more benefits to the airlines on that. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.